Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this meme video using a green screen shirt. So select your video, go to cutout and select chroma key, and you're going to select the green part of the shirt and try to not delete everything. You can also add in shadow to that. I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit even more. Let me pick like a lighter color maybe. Okay, that's good enough. Won't be perfect. Put it on the second layer and add in the like meme video. You can add in any that you like. I just have this like Shrek one which I find funny. But here you can adjust it again if it's not to your liking. It's not going to be super perfect, as you can see, especially because she has a lot of shadows on her shirt. Let me try actually like picking a darker color and see if it's a little bit better. Okay, I guess it's a little bit better, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.